Hey y'all, it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and today I'm at 128 Misty Grove. This house is perfect for every single member of your family, and I can't wait to show it to you. Y'all come inside. And I mean every member of your family. All right, we have the mutt hut here, but we also have 3 other bedrooms, master on main, and there's a spacious bonus room over the garage. So 4 rooms total. We have this open concept floor plan here. The kitchen has beautiful granite countertops and comes with all appliances. And let's go check out that primary suite. Here we are in the primary suite, and we have this beautiful wood paneling on the wall that also goes up into the tray ceiling here. And we have an ensuite bathroom with a separate shower and tub, walk-in closet, and dual vanity with granite countertops. Let's take it upstairs. While we're making our way upstairs, I want to also mention that there is a half bathroom and a separate office or separate dining space on the main level. Over this way, we've got a bedroom. And then across this breezeway here, we have a full bathroom and linen closet. There's another bedroom here right behind you. And then here is the bonus room. Let's take it outside to check out the fenced-in backyard. Welcome outside. This backyard is perfect for entertaining. We have this fenced-in yard. You've got a privacy fence here on the side and this awesome pergola with string lights. There's also a little garden area with some raised beds and even a disc golf net. What more could you ask for? Thank you so much for going on this tour today of 128 Misty Grove. For more information on this house and others, visit my website, lifesgood on lakeoconee.com.